have to study. He only wants to play. Ravi, please finish your homework first. Oh no, studying is boring. I just want to play. Education is important. Education helps us to learn and grow. Really? How? See to at school. Good morning, children. Please sit. Why is education important? Education is to help us to learn new things. Very good. Education gives us knowledge and confidence. It helps us achieve our dreams. Oh, if I study this, I can become a pilot. See conclusion.
என்றும் நிற்பதில்லையே. தொலைத்தது கிடைத்திடாமல், நினைத்தது நடந்திடாமல், இலக்குகள் முடிவதில்லை, தோற்பதில்லை வெற்றியே. ஜட ஜட ஜாட ஜாட ஜட ஜட ஜாட ஜாட ஜா.
Respected Reverend Father Rector, respected Reverend Father Principal, teachers and my dear students. First of all, I would like to thank the class teachers of grade 1 for having invited me for this wonderful, meaningful, theme-based special assembly. Secondly, I would like to thank our principal for giving his approval for this meaningful, theme-based assembly. I would like to congratulate and appreciate all the twinkling stars of first standard who did their very best, brought out their talents, they put in their hard work and efforts to convey a very powerful message, that is importance of education. As you all know, education is very important to everyone. Education involves two steps. Number one, acquiring knowledge, and number two, character formation. It is for these two reasons only you children are brought to school. It is the teachers and the parents who shape you, who mold you, who teach you things. And education helps you to read, write, listen, speak, think, count, understand, communicate. It also helps you to decide things and also to solve problems. Not only that, you also learn values in school like loyalty, benevolence, being grateful, being thankful, the value of forgiving others, accepting others, and so on. So in connection with this, I would like to tell you a short story. Once there were two seeds lying side by side on the soil. Seed 1, let us name as the first seed, and seed 2 as the second one. The first seed was very enthusiastic, was very curious. It wanted to learn something. So it looked around. It was able to find only the sun, the soil, the water, and air. So it thought, why not I learn from all this? So it started to accept and take in or seep in what is found around it in order to grow, in order to acquire knowledge. Whereas the second seed did not have that thought. It felt that, why should I learn? Why not I be just like this? This is more than enough for me. And I do not want to take any risk. If I think about like that of the first seed, I have to undergo some pain, which means I have to go under the mud. There could be rocks under it, and those rocks could hurt me. So that is not necessary for me. Let me stay as I am. But the first seed was very eager, and it was also able to risk its own life. So it went under the mud. It took water from the soil and the warmth from the sunlight and air, and slowly it started to grow. It slowly grew into a plant, and it learned to stand erect. It started to spread out its branches. Then slowly it started to give flowers, and later on fruits. Then after many years it became a big tree, and you know, of course, what are the benefits of a tree? Giving shade, home for many birds and insects and so on, even to human being, and every part of the tree is also useful to mankind. So that first seed has accepted to learn, and it allowed itself to go things inside it, and it underwent transformation, and now it has become a very strong, powerful tree, and it has become useful to others. So the purpose of its life was fulfilled. Now the second seed did not allow things to go inside it. So it did not serve the purpose. So you, dear students, should learn from this story to adapt yourself like that of the first seed. You are all placed in a very good school. You have got very good teachers. You have got very good parents. So feel proud and lucky enough that you are here. Take time to learn and use your knowledge for building yourself and building a bright future for yourself. Thank you.